Hello guys, I'm replacing my main sewer line and I want to add two cleanouts. The first cleanout I'm gonna install in here, and I need to connect PVC to a cast iron pipe. Also, when I was digging a trench, I found 2-inch pipe connected to a main sewer line, and this is a drain line for kitchen sink and washing machine. I'm not gonna replace this line, but instead I'm gonna install a cleanout in here, so I have an access if I need to snake this line. When I found a place where I want to install my cleanout, I started cutting a cast iron pipe with reciprocating saw. It took me about 3 minutes to cut this cast iron pipe. I snake both pipes where I want to install cleanouts with a drain cleaner. You can rent this drain cleaner for about $50 a day. As you can see, I connected the cleanout to a cast iron pipe using 4-inch coupling. I'm gonna provide a link for this product in the description of this video. As you can see, I did assemble all of the parts together, but I did not glue them. I did mark them, and now I know for sure where I have to install each piece. When you work with PVC glue, be very quick when you're connecting the parts together and have someone to help you. As you can see, this last piece almost ruined all of the work that I've done before, but I was able to install it properly. Because I am planning to have plants in the location where I'm installing a cleanout, I want this cleanout to be about 2 inches above the ground. I'm using a threaded cap, so it can be easily removed when service is required. I already installed a 2-inch cleanout. I connected 2-inch PVC pipe to an Orangeburg pipe using 2-inch Fernca coupling. Now I can assemble the rest of the cleanout. I mark this spot where I will have a threaded cap for the access and cut the pipe. Clean a pipe with the sandpaper, prime it, and when the primer dried, start gluing PVC pipe. Then push it and twist it. And now it is time to connect the last piece. And again, push it and twist it. I just installed 2 cleanouts and everything looks great. Now I have an easy access for my main sewer line if the service is required. If you like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends, family, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.